अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड, उम्मीद करती हूँ सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी ईमेल मार्केटिंग के बारे में। ईमेल मार्केटिंग मेड इजी। ईमेल मार्केटिंग डन राइट, ब्रेवो EX Sandy Blue marketing platform. Promote your brand and grow your business with beautifully designed email. Free starter business enterprise free. Discover Bravo EX Sandy Blue. Sign up, everything in free. 300 emails day, customizable email templates, drag and drop editor, transactional email, SMS and WhatsApp companions. See all future conversation. Connect with your leads and customer in real time. Sales platform. Keep track of deals and never miss an opportunity to grow your revenue. Transactional email. Send a million of emails in no time with Bravo EX Sandy Blue. Robust email API. Do it all with Bravo emails. Sign up for free immediate access, no credit card required. Powerful feature, minimum effort. Design beautiful companion. Easily create email with our drag and drop filter or use our pre-designed template that are impactful and relevant, but most importantly save you time. Smart segmentation. Engage with your evidence effectively by segmenting. Improve your conversation or sell by targeting a smaller subset of your contact to elegant content with exactly what they need. Open rate 33.95%, click rate 2%, unsubscribe 1%. Send time optimization. Our AI powered system will maximize your engagement by sending emails at the perfect time. Real time reports. Keep tabs on how your companions are performing. Dig deeper into insight to make smart decisions for future companions. Do more with automation. Automate repetitive tasks to reach the right person and the right time without delay. Build a custom automated workflow for email and customer experience. Constantly improve with A/B testing. Automate repetitive tasks to reach the right person at the right time without delay. Build custom automated workflows for email and customer experience. Be yourself in every email you send. Sign up for free immediate access, no credit card required. Bravo has all the necessary integration for success. Contact your favorite app of web services and do more with your marketing and transactional email. Do you know 50% of e-commerce revenue come from email marketing? We have built powerful integration with the biggest e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce and many more. We are based, don't take our word for it. Last updated on 28th March 2022. 4.5 by 5 reviews. 4.5 by 5 reviews tested by companies worldwide. Heineken, Hermes, why 400,000 users love Bravo. At this price point, you find a much better deal elsewhere. As far as concerned, Bravo blows MailChimp out of the water as an email platform. Marcus Taylor founded an ECO venture, Harbor. Test drive Bravo for free. Get started for free. About why Bravo carriers. Press room, carbon footprint, GDPR, security, product marketing platform, conversation, sales platform, transactional email, Bravo Plus, community, blog, events, partner, customer stories, Bravo Academy, sports, help center, contact us, Bravo API, platform status, product updates, integration, cookie setting, anti-spam, privacy, user agreement, legal notice, responsible disclosure, Bravo 2023, all rights reserved. What is email marketing? What is email marketing? Definition, strategies and tools. And to get started, the beginner's guide with explain what email marketing is, how it works, and how to get started. By the end, you will have a solid gaps of basics along with the know how to launch an effective email marketing strategy for your business. Email marketing is the most profitable and cost effective direct marketing channel, generating an average return on investment 42 of every one spent. For the reason alone, email should be a key pillar of your digital marketing strategy. Not doing any email marketing is like leaving money lying out on the table. But if you are a bit confused about where to start, that's totally normal. Email is a vast discipline. It's easy for beginners to get lost in a sea of tools, techniques, and terminology. To learn more, stick around for everything you need to know about email marketing. What is email marketing? Why email marketing is important? Benefit of email marketing? How do email marketing strategy? What is email marketing? Email marketing is a direct marketing channel that lets business share new products, sales, and updates with customer on their contact list. Its high return on investment ROI make it crucial to most business overall inbound strategy. Modern email marketing has moved away from one size fits all mass mailing and instead focuses on a constant segmentation and personalization. This may sound time consuming, but marketing automation handles most of the heavy lifting for you in the long run. A well designed email marketing strategy not only drives sales but help build a community around your hand. Type of marketing email can be promotional, informational, or serve a specific purpose in the buyer journey. Promotional email source. Email marketing campaigns are used to promote special offers, new product releases, gated content like ebooks and web banners, and your brand at large. A campaign could consist of 3 to 10 emails sent over several days or weeks. Promotional email have a clear call to action (CTA) for sure. The CTA represents the specific action you want the reader to take, whether visiting a page on your website or using a coupon to make a purchase. Your business sale and marketing Ranthium typically determines how often you send this type of marketing email during a crucial period like Black Friday. You may be sending multiple promotional email in the same 24-hour period. During slower period in the marketing calendar, there may be a few weeks between your promotional campaign. Information email newsletters. A newsletter, as the name suggests, share news related to your business thing, new milestone reach, new product capability, or featuring valuable content like case studies sent a regular interval. Weekly, monthly newsletter help maintain consistent touch points with your email subscriber. Simply, but newsletter is an opportunity to share insight through tips whether bring the most value to your evidence. Check out your post to learn more about how to create a newsletter.